Hey y'all! Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a spatchcock chicken on my pellet grill. It is so simple to make and the flavor is just so. Without further ado, let me show you how to make the spatchcock chicken. You're going to need a whole chicken. I got one of these at Walmart. They're super cheap. Love it. Then you're going to need a rub of your choice. I'm going to be using the Hardcore Carnivore red seasoning. It is delicious, 10 out of 10, recommend it. And then you're going to need some sharp kitchen shears, which I don't really have, so we're just going to have to make do and hope that we can get this backbone out of the chicken. If you don't know what spatchcocking a chicken is, it is a method of cooking where you cut out the backbone of a chicken, butterfly it, and cook it on the grill just like that. It allows the chicken to cook quicker and more evenly all the way through. The grill I'm cooking on today is my Even Embers pellet-fueled ceramic egg. I love this grill so much, so I'm about to turn it on, let it start heating up, and then we'll head back inside and get that chicken all seasoned up. There's a lot of ways you can cook a spatchcock chicken, but the way I prefer is putting it on 375 and just letting it roll until the chicken is cooked. So I am going to turn on my smoker, set it to 375, and she's gonna heat up. So easy, love it. What I've done is I pulled this whole chicken out of the pack, and I am just going to pat it dry with a paper towel, trying to soak up all that excess moisture off of the bird. And then you're gonna wanna turn it over where the backbone of the chicken is up top. You're then gonna take your kitchen shears, which I hope are sharper than mine. I may end up needing to go in with a knife. And you can kind of see where that backbone runs along this chicken, which this is ironic that I'm doing this, you know, a couple feet away from my baby chickens. But we are just gonna go ahead and start slicing out this backbone of the chicken with our kitchen shears. Once you have your backbone cut out of your chicken, if you look inside the bird, you'll see this white piece of cartilage right here. You are going to take your knife and cut maybe a ½ inch down so that when we flip this bird over in a second, you can push down on it and it is going to lay flat. And that is how you spatchcock a chicken. It's actually really simple. I do have to say I'm still mastering the art of cutting out the backbone, so it's not perfect, but even if it is a little botched, it'll still taste so good. So, got the chicken, and now we're going to season it up and go throw it on the grill. To season up the chicken, I'm gonna use a little bit of avocado oil. Just gonna do a really thin layer, rub it across the chicken, and then I am going to go in with my seasoning. I've got my chicken seasoned up, the grill is hot, I've got a thermometer in the breast of the chicken, and now we just let it cook. I just checked the bird all over with a meat thermometer. It is done. I'm about to pull it off. And oh man, is she smelling good? Is she looking good? It does not get much easier of a cook than that. Y'all, doesn't this bird look absolutely outstanding? It's just so easy to make too, like one of the easiest cooks that I do on the pellet grill. But it did take this bird about an hour and 35 minutes to cook all the way through. Keep in mind that time will vary a little bit based on how big your bird is. But I have been letting this rest for a couple of minutes, so let's cut into this bad boy and see how juicy she is. All right, I'm gonna slice into this just a little bit. I just cut me a piece of the chicken. Let's give it a taste test. Y'all, this chicken is just so good. It has so much flavor from the seasoning. You can taste a little bit of smokiness in the meat. It is just 10 out of 10, so easy to make, and so darn delicious. Well guys, there you have it. That is how I make the super easy spatchcock chicken on the pellet grill. Let me know if you have a different way of cooking spatchcock chicken, because I would love to give other ways a try as well. This has been a tried and true method for me. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all again real soon with another one. Bye guys!